Welcome to Superman Customs.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to Superman Customs. I know I've been away for some time, but I'm back now. Expect a lot of content. So for today's project, we will be painting brake calipers and brake drums. For this project, it's quite simple. The tools you're going to need are a jack to jack up your car, wheel spanner to loosen the wheel nuts, a flat screwdriver, a socket set, some paper to mask up the vehicle. If you don't have plastic, you can use newspaper, whichever is available for you. That's perfect. And the color for today is High Heat Red by Blue Devil. You can get this at your Midas or any local spare shop. Make sure it's a high heat red, as this is a color that you'll be needing for your brakes. So let's get into it, guys. See you in a bit. So guys, the first step you're going to need to do is loosen your wheel nuts. As you see, I've already done that. Loosen your wheel nuts, remove your wheel. You'll then put your car on a jack stand, as seen below. Then, once that is done, you're going to come over to your brake disc and your brake caliper. Then you're going to find two bolts in the back. Should be one here and one below. There's two bolts here. Right. You're then going to take your 15 socket and remove it. I'll put you guys in a quick time lapse while that's getting done, and see you guys in a second. Okay guys, once your brake caliper is removed, once the two bolts are removed and it's out, first thing you're going to need to do is take out the rubber grommet that sits here on your shock. Once that is out, you'll have some free play on your brake caliper. Remember, do not leave it to hang, as you're putting tension on the brake line, which will cause it to break and tear and leak out the fluid, which will be a big problem in the future. So once this is done, you can lay it somewhere and begin sanding out all of the old gunk and grime. So let me get all that done and I get back to you guys. So guys, once you're done sanding your brake caliper, this should be your final result. It should be something similar to this. Your main objective is to take off all the dirt and grime that has been collected on the caliper. Once this is done, I'll put a quick time lapse on us masking the area, and then you're about to shoot it with some paint. So let me get that done. See you guys in a bit. So guys, as you can see, once the paint is on, it's dried. Make sure not to paint your disc. Only paint your caliper, which is this part that's painted. Okay, once this is done, the rest is pretty simple. Put your wheel back on, drop the vehicle, do the same on the other side. I've already done the other side, so if you can come around, look. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. Then come down to the back. With the back, the process is pretty simple as well. Jack up your car, take out your wheel, and rub out your drum, which is this piece here. And with your drum, you're gonna be painting the whole circumference of it. And yeah, once that is done, it'll look as good as the front, and you're balling on a budget. So that's it, guys. For now, see you, catch you in the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon to turn on notifications.